kind of thing what we have chosen was the role of industry academia, partnership to transform education IT infrastructure, and to kind of see like what Microsoft also as an industry play a role here. Okay, now if you look at the digital technology in education, the world is completely changing. Anytime, anywhere learning, it's become the new normal nowadays. Bring your own devices, that's becoming the mainstream today. In fact, there has been research which says that like sometime by year 2016, there's going to be close to 1 billion tablets which is going to exist, which is going to be used across the workforce, and the students or the education community is one of the largest consumer for these tablets. So that's how the whole world is migrating. Of course, flipped classrooms. In fact, Dr. Gade was talking about, and multiple vice chancellors was talking about this while they were addressing the role of technology. The flipped classroom is a big trend, wherein like the students can like come to the use the institution to kind of only get their queries clarified from their faculty. So this again like drives the whole penetration of the mobility, and especially all your whatever the smartphone or a tablet or the complete mobility. So that's how the whole world is trending, and it also ensures that there has to be a absolute security has to be taken care, right? Okay, well, the mobility is a new mantra for the this latest generation students and teachers. So what do they do? Basically, like it complements the teachers. So these guys, these students has got multiple tools. So it has to complement what the faculty will be imparting training to them. It cannot be like completely replaced, but it has to kind of like help them doing much more learning. Of course, bring your own devices. So that's very common as we discussed. And if you look at like while in the universities, of course, like today the students carry very limited number of notebooks or a simple bag, but we have seen, especially in the school environment today, like the kids carry a huge bag. You know, like they need to carry all that 5-6 subjects. So how do we kind of like make that backpack very, very lighter? So that's again like the devices what is going to drive. And of course, the shared environment, shared pieces. One is to kind of bring down your investment in the infrastructure, at the same time to kind of like drive your collaboration. And of course, you know, like with the latest kind of user experience, typically like this Windows 8, 8.1, these are the things which really drive towards your mobility. Okay, now, how do we do this? Just with Microsoft alone, like we will not be able to achieve this. At the same time, like keeping out Microsoft, again, like you will not be able to achieve. So what we need to do is like there has to be a complete collaboration, consortia of all the various partners in place. There are key 4 stakeholders in this. One is very clearly your publisher or the content providers or the ISVs. So be it in the school education or in the higher education space, especially for anyone, like even for us, like in case if we need to do a PhD, like as a lifelong learner, content is very important. So that's where the publishers play a major role. We have seen there are so many publishers, even like Morning Visa, like McGraw, Dragonfly, they were talking about. We have multiple publishers, even like for your test preparation kind of thing, you have Fiji's or the IAS preparation, Rao Institute. So there are multiple content providers available. So they play a major role because they are the people who get the content for you in the devices, which really makes you as a teacher or as a student make the education better. Now the next important, like the device OEMs. So when I say device OEM, like, you know, think of anyone, like, you know, any device, like, you know, I'm sure like we have the experience that we have multiple hardware with us, like be it HP, Lenovo, think of anything, okay, even Apple, even like Microsoft, like we are coming out with our own tablet called Surface, which is already launched in more than 29 countries in India. Like we are hopefully We must be launching sometime in March. So there are multiple devices in place, like apart from this, in the mobile perspective, you have this Nokia, Samsung, so many devices. So this again plays a major role. The choice of your right device really helps you in driving this. Of course, the system integrators, they play a major role, who really helps you in kind of building the right infrastructure for you to get you the right data center or provide the right kind of a cloud services. And not the least, the cloud services operators as well as the operators. Like for you, you need to have this telecom providers in place. So what is the kind of a right connectivity we have in place? Then only you will be able to use the devices. So basically, like these are the multiple industry partners who are existing, who need to kind of like join hands, work together. Then only like this mobility, which is going to be the key mantra going forward, is going to be successful. Okay, like let me step back and quickly let me kind of like walk through on a couple of use cases, which really kind of showcase to you like what really, how the industry really impact. So one, as a student, if you look at like a day in the life of a student, like, you know, like in fact, we also in the morning, we talked about like, you know, that we need to have the admission, how he integrated the IT for the admission. But once the student is in place, like, you know, how does he prepare for his, you know, next day college? He need to prepare like what are the next tomorrow's assignment in place. And when he is in the college, like what does he do within the college? And then like, you know, outside the college or outside the class environment, how does he collaborate, working on group projects, the entertainment. So these are, as far as the student is concerned, like this is the way like which he will definitely need any kind of intervention, be it a teacher or a parent or a device. So in terms of the technology, like there are multiple things, like for example, like when we say like preparing for the college, again, your devices come in place. And he need to have the connected to the cloud and maybe using the SkyDrive or the Office web apps or Office 365 kind of environment. He just gets connected, or maybe like in case there is a learning management or a school management solution in place. So that he gets in, wherein he gets all the content in place. So here again for a student, absolutely all these industry partners play a major role. When it comes to the faculty, again the faculty, like they need to prepare for the classes and for the research, again for the group projects. So here again the industry come in place, wherein like using the kind of a technology, be as far as the Microsoft is concerned, we have your SharePoint technology, or for collaboration we have the Link, Skype. So these kind of technology plays a major role. And when it comes to the parent, because while we have this student and teachers play a major role, of course the institution also, parent definitely plays a major role, because unless the parents are really involved in this, then you know it will not be a success for the students as well as for the institutions to give a good result. So in terms of the parent, like they need to kind of like see like what are the kind of homework the kids or the son or daughter is carrying, what are the kind of like marks they have scored, how well are they performing in their regular classes, are they really attending the classes. In fact, like morning we saw a presentation talking about the school management solution, even they talked about this. So these are some of the solutions which are really, really key, wherein the industry again plays a major role. Well, so what we feel is like for us to have a complete the mobility in place, these are the different partners. So you need to have the complete content hosting in place. You need to have a unified communication for you to collaborate. You need to have the student lifecycle management. You have the social platforms, you know, like the other private, like maybe a Facebook kind of thing, or for your corporate kind of thing, you can have your institution-driven social network wherein you can have a Yammer kind of thing. Then you have the digital rights management. So these are some of the solution which cut across and which is supported by the multiple the partners. Like you need to have someone to do the IP protection. You need to have someone doing your billing model. Supposing you have your the content which has to be kind of a paid, or for your how do you pay for the e-books and e-journals, or how do you pay your hostel fees and the other fees. So you need to have this billing mechanism has to be in play. You need to have, of course, the connectivity and the endpoint devices, typically like, the Surface or the other kind of devices has to be in place. Of course, the various apps. So apps is very critical. In fact, I talked about the multiple publishers and the other content. Today, like even now, like most of us have a smartphone, and we are kind of completely used to depending completely on an app. Recently, like we launched this IRCTC app, and we've been seeing very good kind of a feedback using that app. So like this, like in terms of the education, there are multiple apps in place. So how do these really play a major role? And of course, the distribution. So these are the key things. Now, as far as the Microsoft is concerned, what is the value we bring to table? We have multiple programs. Morning, my colleague talked about the multiple engagements we do. So one of the interesting thing what we do is we have a program called AppFest. So, the app today is a kind of, like interesting word and the key mantra like all the students are working on. So we kind of like work with the institutions and help the students to create various apps. So we've been running kind of like a marathon we were running in multiple institutions. We'll be very happy to come back to your university and go to various colleges also, and we will run this AppFest for you. We have a program called UCrew. Basically, like we come and help the students get understand about what are the different devices and the different operating system in place. We can help out. As well as like we have multiple, like we have program for the students called Imagine Cup, wherein like we get the students becoming an entrepreneur like during their college days itself. We've seen like, but this is a kind of a program every year we run. Like last year we got students, team students coming from Punjab. Year before we got someone coming from the Gujarat Technical University. So we are seeing a lot of N2 coming from the students. And of course, the multiple offerings, especially kind of these cloud-based offerings from Microsoft. So in terms of the devices, there is the new thing is like all the touch enabled. Like you have all the apps in place. The touch is what like we are all getting used to this smartphone kind of environment, and that's what is really driving to a touch-enabled tablets and devices. Of course, from we as Microsoft, we support all the OEM vendors to help in driving these kind of touch-enabled devices. So these are the multiple form factors which are available. I'm sure like your local channel partner, your local vendors must be able to supply. Supposing if you're looking for a lab environment, there is something called all-in-ones. It's a kind of like it will really save a lot of power. It's a kind of a complete touch-enabled environment, of course, for the tablets and the other convertible. So this is all about, and I strongly believe like together with the industry and with the university support, we'll be able to transform education. Thanks.